Hey guys, Joe here again. Thanks for coming back to beautiful California. We're just here at the campsite with all the good stuff. I'm going to be doing a review today on my Costway portable refrigerator, so that way you guys can see what I use it for, plugged into my beautiful TRD Pro, as well as in the campsite. I got this refrigerator on Amazon for $389. It's a 54 quart. It's 14 inches by 27 by 21, so it's not too big, but good enough size to fit enough food for 5 days, 4 people. Went to Utah, worked out great. We got it plugged into the truck right now. It's usually how I have it, so that way it saves space in the cab. And then we're gonna put it over here and plug it into the Goal Zero. Not too heavy, even with all our stuff in it. I'll be doing a later video about that, and that way everything stays nice and cold. Wanted to show you the temperature I like to keep it at is between 32, 34. You can adjust it here. You also have a setting for Celsius if you need Celsius as well. So let's go ahead and unpack and take a look. Gotta have the ice cream, right? So you can see how cold that is there. Vodka, of course. Got our meat for dinner. And the bacon, of course. So, as you guys can see, it holds quite a few things. And we also have a separator here for your dairy and fruit, as well as when it gets dark at night, you have a light. We have a separator, so you can separate it out. Pretty easy. That about wraps it up. We got everything out here on the table so you can see. We're about to get grilling and enjoy the rest of our campsite. So I'll be talking to you guys at a later date about what I use in my camping and how I use it, what we're grilling. And so we'll see you next time. Like and subscribe.